Okay, Gauze Garage coming to you from Music City Mopars here in Nashville, Tennessee. And we are doing a Gauze Garage exclusive of a color study in review. Both 1970 vehicles. On your left-hand side is an original Survivor TA Challenger. And on the right is a beautiful Gran Coupe Cuda 1970 convertible. And you're looking at roughly similar colors, but yet different. The Trans Am Challenger is in cream yellow, and the Gran Coupe is in a trending color for 70 called Sand Pebble Beige. And as you can see, a lot more yellow in the Trans Am, and definitely earth tone in the Gran Coupe. Beautiful car. That Sand Pebble Beige was a very trendy color. Remember, these cars were luxury versions. And the color of that leather interior on that is Puma Tan. And as you can see, the factory treatment on it and how they put these cars and package them. This was an upscale luxury version of the sporty Cuda. And there you have, folks, the Gran Coupe. And take a look, you can immediately see a little different treatment as far as the taillight bezels has a certain paint to it. And also we can see this is an air car. That's beautiful. Now you see this Sand Pebble Beige? It's BL1, so I assume it's in the brown family, although it's tan. It's very light in the brown family. This is Y3 Cream in the yellow family, so that's why you can see yellow over here on this one. Gran Coupe had Puma Tan. The interior? Saddle tan for Dodge. So Dodge was Saddle Tan, Puma Tan for the Gran Coupe. And the reason for this color study is because both of these cars, 1970, are in very similar type colors that were not usual. Usually, you're used to seeing E-bodies in bright red, bright blue, black, orange, blazing yellows. And here we have a couple cars in earth tone, which makes a particularly good study of the colors of the two. And here we have the owners of the car. And yes, Norm Vanderveen.
DY3 Challenger TA.
All right, and
Rick Lang. Gran Coupe convertible.
Fantastic. Well, I got to tell you, gentlemen, you both have beautiful cars here, and it does make an interesting color study, you know? From the simple fact that both these cars are unusual colors, and it's not something that you look at every day, you know? And Norm, you bought your car?
In 1976.
Yes.
Labor Day of 1976.
Fantastic. And Rick, how long have you had your car?
1978.
Oh, 1970. How about that? So, yes, we're looking at both long-term ownership with some fantastic cars here. And, yes, the Gran Coupe, obviously, very rare, beautiful. And, Norm, your car, the Challenger, being a Survivor, 63,000-mile original Survivor from the factory. That's something special. So, I will tell you that both these cars figure in really good against the old rustic wood. They look really good. So I want to thank you both. And it was a great show today. And guys, thank you. This is Gauze Garage coming to you from Nashville, Tennessee with Music City Mopars. Thank you.